come close right here? Okay, Atlas, look. So that, the sun is coming through the binoculars, and that's the moon taking a chunk out of the sun there. Can you point at the moon? And the sun? And there's two of them. One of them's more in focus than the other one right now. But we can keep an eye on it through here if we want. We can use our eclipse glasses, but we can also keep an eye out this way. Thanks, bud.
Observe for shadow bands.
It looks like a tiny cove.
That's coming off. Okay.
And the drone. Wow, Papa, the drone went right through the sun.
The drone's straight up.
It's getting darker and darker and darker.
Good luck, guys.
Good luck.
60 seconds. Observe for shadow bands.
I don't know what a shadow band is, but I'm going to keep looking at it.
The shadow bands are on the ground.
Wow, Atlas, look all around us.
Look at the, oh, that's beautiful over there. That's where we're going. Oh, that's beautiful.
It's almost gone.
40 seconds. Observe umbra approach.
Umbra is darkness, like Umbreon.
30 seconds. Hands on camera filters.
All right, Atlas. Keep looking, keep looking, keep looking. You're gonna watch
20. Remove camera filters.
You see it getting smaller?
15.
Yeah, it's darker.
10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Atlas, take off your glasses.
Glasses
Look.
off. Glasses off.
Look at the horizon.
Observe for planets and stars.
The birds think it's dark. Yeah, listen. Maybe it's time to go to bed.
I don't see anything.
Turn your glasses in. Isn't this wonderful?
Is that how dark it is at night? Well,
So-
what
so
about
the-
the horizon over there?
The horizon, the light hasn't left that yet. It's lower that way, but look, it's all dark when you look up there. Isn't that beautiful? You can see the moon perfectly blotting out the sun. But the sun doesn't go away. The light is still there, even if you can't see it all the way.
It will get a little darker still.
Whoa. That's cool. Is it going to be as dark as you can't see a lot of things?
That's
Is that a planet over there, Atlas?
I think it might be.
Sure looks like a planet. Well, it twinkles a little bit.
Oh,
Max eclipse in 10 seconds.
wow, I see a space station.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Observe the horizon.
When all the numbers are gone to 1 or 0, will it be gone? Will it be done? When all the numbers
beautiful.
are 0?
There's that drone way over there. I'm not missing.
When those two numbers are 0, will it be gone?
You want to yell? Do a whoop.
Whoop!
Whoop!
Good job, Atlas.
Up here is getting black! Oh, I see a plane in the sky!
Me too.
And a satellite! So cool!
Okay, it's getting close.
Papa's idea.
Yeah, it is good.
I think I see his drone.
Third contact in 20 seconds.
Okay.
What does that
15.
mean?
Means we need to put our glasses on.
10. Get your glasses.
What does that
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So put a sliver.
Glasses on. Glasses on. Glasses on.
mean? I see something.
Is there something coming back on?
Plus 10 seconds. Plus 15. Replace camera filters.
Look, it's getting bright again.
Yeah.
The sun is coming.
Plus
What are the boards
25.
say?
Observe for shadow bands.
What are the boards say?
We're just like, I'm confused. I thought it was nighttime.
That was, the eclipse was fun, right?
Yeah. A lot of fun. That
Plus
was it.
45. Observe umbra exit.
So that means observe the darkness going away.
Plus 60. Enjoy the
The
partial
boards are
phase
back.
phenomena in reverse order. Next notification is fourth
The
contact.
boards are coming back and they said, hey, it's daytime.
Yes, you're right. You're right. Is it morning again?
And they say, that was the fast night.
They do. Look, there's somebody doing fireworks.